Alright, so basically what we're going to do today, we're talking full swing fundamentals. And all we're doing is we're going to expand on the fundamentals and the stroke that we learned in lesson 1 with the chipping and the pitching. The major difference and the basic difference between full swing and the chipping and pitching motion that we made before is the introduction of the second lever in the golf swing. Also, the range of rotational motion will increase in full swing, but the major difference is, like I said, that introduction and the using of the second lever in the golf swing. So if everyone holds the club out right in front of you, take your normal golf grip and have the club parallel to the ground. This hinging motion will actually happen just in the wrist, and basically the way I like to think about it happening is we grip the club and then our thumbs will simply point upward. We're hinging our wrist straight up. We're not necessarily bending our elbows a bunch. This motion is happening from the wrist. Okay? That's very good. You guys are all doing it properly. Let me just show you where the hinge happens in the swing and what it produces. Okay, so like I said, the major difference between the chipping and pitching motion and the full swing motion is the introduction of the hinge. I'm going to hit 2 shots for you. And the first shot I'm going to hit with that one lever swing, very compact, very short swing without engaging my hands and engaging my arms very much. Now that ball went a pretty good distance, but one thing that you'll notice is that that golf ball went very low, and it didn't go as far, hopefully, as we could possibly hit it. So I'm going to hit another shot. I'm going to introduce the hinge in the golf swing. Okay, I'm going to get set up in my athletic posture that we talked about. I'm going to introduce the hinge, rotate my body through. I'm sure one of the major things that you'll notice right away is that ball took off and went much higher. Not only did it go higher, it went further. So as you're making your swings here, and as we're progressing through this lesson, I want each of you to, Dave, would you come over here for a second? Sure. Go ahead and get set up like you're going to hit that shot. I want each of you to rehearse practicing that hinging motion, and what it will look like is as you're taking the golf club back, we basically want to make a large L with our left forearm and that club shaft going straight up and down. The sensation will be that your thumbs are pointed straight up in the air, and our body is rotating that club back. Get set up, Dave. So I want each of you to rehearse this 2 or 3 times before every swing. So we turn our core away, and we practice making this L motion 2 or 3 times before every swing.